Today I'm going to tell you about curly-tailed lizards. The curly-tailed lizard belongs to the family Liocephalidae. One of the defining features of these lizards is that when approached, their tails curl over. They were previously regarded as members of subfamily Liocephalinae within the family Tropiduridae. There are presently 29 known species. However, Liocephalus is the only genus with the family Liocephalidae. The curly-tailed lizards are localized to the Caribbean, more specifically Cuba, Haiti, and the Dominican Republic. The curly-tailed lizards generally forage on flowers, fruits, and insects. It is unofficially theorized that the tail curl may be a defensive mechanism meant to mimic that of a scorpion, considering the arthropod inhabits the Caribbean and that the lizard only curls its tail when approached by a larger mammal. The northern curly-tailed lizard species is native to the Bahama Islands, the Cayman Islands, Cuba, and Honduras, but was also released intentionally in Palm Beach, Florida in the 1940s in an attempt to control sugarcane pests. Adult northern curly-tailed lizards may attain a snout to vent of 4.1 inches, or a total length including the tail of 10 inches. An active, robust lizard is mostly terrestrial and will retreat into a burrow or cavity when frightened. It prefers sunny areas with loose rubble and rock. In the Cayman Islands, a large captured specimen was observed to consistently burrow completely under the sand in a holding tank, even though a rock retreat was provided. The lizard also played dead when handled and remained completely motionless for a short while after being put down. The northern curly-tailed lizard utilizes tail curling as an anti-predator measure when being chased. This behavior is predominantly seen when the predator is distant, as it is an attempt to intimidate would-be pursuers. When the predator is close, however, the lizard instead seeks immediate refuge. House a single pet curly-tailed lizard in a 20-gallon, 26 to 30-inch long or even bigger terrarium. A larger terrarium is necessary for housing 2 females. Providing a temperature gradient, warm side, cool side, regulates the curly-tailed lizard's body temperature. It is necessary to vary the temperature between nighttime hours and daytime hours. In order to monitor the humidity level, facilitate the habitat with a hydrometer and 2 thermometers on either side. At day, keep the basking spot the warmest part. Place a high voltage heat bulb right above the heating spot for providing heat. Turn the light off at night. Maintain the temperature in the night by using a night heat lamp or a heat emitter. Once the shorter winter season is over, curly-tails are desperate to get into spring. They get pleasure when misted in the spring. Towards the end of summer, they lay eggs. Make an area that is convenient for them to dig. Be on the watch, males do argue. The heads of the males are large and they are bigger. Even though a major part of the curly-tailed lizard's diet consists of insects, the curly-tails are called omnivores because they vociferously eat flowers like the railroad vine or the beach morning glory, small fruits, small crustaceans, seeds, anole lizards, roaches, spiders, mosquitoes, and ants. When in captivity, certain males show cannibalistic behavior. Thanks for watching this Adventurous Kids episode.